Hi everyone. Okay, so I got my HSN order in from Griffin. So they had a today's special value, I think on the 12th. Yeah, on the 12th. And I decided to get it because I thought it was a great value. 50 bucks. Wait, let me double check. Let me give you the item number also. So I bought, this one is the Christmas Celebration Card Kit. And it is item 809443. And it was... total was 54 out the door, and I thought it was really good, especially because of the box too. So this is her Christmas card kit. Now you don't have to use anything the way it's intended. So I want to see how this was. This is these two things are the only things I bought because I really am just focusing on buying fabric because I have enough dyes and paper and all that stuff. So I'm really not buying too much crafts right now, regular crafts. So there's the samples. These are gorgeous. I knew it was going to be gorgeous and I had to have it. I think they still have some, but I'm not positive. But, you know, or it may not be this price. So you get pop dots. And, wow, where do we start? Let's start on the simple things. So you get card bases. So you get these card bases. These are, look like 5x7s. I think 5x7s. Let me look. I have my mat here. So 7 by, yep, 5x7s. And you have this red one. Let me go through it because they usually don't show you everything when you look online. Oh, I love this one, the candy stripe. And you have the green, navy. And you get how many? 4? I think it looks like 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. 4 of each 5x7. And she usually does 5x7s because her stuff is so gorgeous but big, so you kind of need that space, and I just think it's lovely. So you don't have to use this as a card base. Cut it up and you can use this as a mat and then use this as another mat, so you can have, you know, plenty of mats if you don't have to keep it as that. So green, and I don't mind because you get 2. Where you have one right now, you can get 2 pieces out of this, so it's actually kind of cool. You have the snowflakes, and oh, look at that one, it's gorgeous. So those are the card bases. You get the envelopes. You get a butt ton of envelopes. I think that's probably like 50. That's crazy. And let's see, let me take this stuff out. Can you guys see this? This is amazing. Was that my hair? There's a hair in here. Is that my hair? How would my hair get in there? I'm not sure, but there's a hair in here. So, I'm not sure. That's kind of weird. And we have the inserts. So with her stuff, you get the inserts. So you have the sentiment, sending you best wishes for a Merry Christmas, which I love. I can't stand the Happy Holidays stuff. So I am a traditional girl. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. And, you know, it's, you know, I love Merry Christmas. I just think it's the holiday awesomeness of it. And Happy Holidays is so generic. I don't like it. But, you know, there's a lot of things I don't believe in. And people will say to me, you know, whatever. And I'm like, thank you. And in a nice way, a nice sentiment to me. And I'm like, thank you. I don't believe in it. But why would it offend me when someone's trying to be nice, you know? So that's just my, you know, I'm old and I'm just whatever. So you have a lot of different ones. I don't want to go through all of them because I want to get through this. I want to see what we get. And we get borders. So we get borders. That's what I mean about the 5x7s, because she gives you these big old borders, which you can cut down, of course, but it's like you get more of a space to create and be creative, and I love it. She's got some awesome stuff, you guys. This is worth 50 bucks. I'll tell you, if you watch the Crafter's Companion one, look at this. And that is the difference on why I think 50 bucks is a lot of money and I want my money's worth kind of thing. So you get her gold foil, which is a nice gold. It's not a gaudy gold. I hate gaudy gold. And I'm sure well, I don't know if everyone knows what gaudy gold is, but if you know, you know. So, and then you get these little flourishes. These flourishes are gorgeous. So you get Oh, you get the leaves. Wow, you guys, this is just awesome. And then you get presents. I'm going to be making some quilts that are Christmas themed, and one is a stocking and one I think is presents, and I love it. I'm going to be quilting my heart out here pretty soon, and also PLing. So the only thing that might suffer is my 3D projects, which that's okay. You know, I'll have time for that in the future, but I'm really loving quilting again. So I want to and I finished my PL today, so hopefully I'll get to film that soon. Look at how beautiful this is. And some of them get munched. They really do. They get munched. But if you put enough glue on there and like smooth it out with your finger, it should be okay. If not, put a pop dot. Put a, I think I put all my stuff away. Put a enamel dot on there, you know, or like a heart or something, and you can disguise the imperfections. And you know, so I have imperfections on my tummy. So guess what I do? I wear long shirts. So there's a will, there's a way, right? I'm going to scooch in because this really needs more of a close-up view. So holiday blessings, but you can cover these, which that's what I love about her stuff. The reason for the season, I love that. Oh, look at this Santa, and I love old-fashioned Santa. I love him this way. This way is traditional. This is my age group. I love it. So just for the season. Oh, it's pretty roses, you guys. This is amazing. Warm holiday greetings, and you got the pine cones. Oh, look at this one, and see, it's a little bit munched. But you can't, you know, honestly, you can't help some of this. So you can't be too, I mean, you can. It's your money. You can't totally be picky. But if you ask for another one, I'm sure it's going to come this way too. So that's the only thing is, I personally, me, I am not going to be too picky about it, because I just know what you get in all this kit. And, you know, when it gets tossed around, and the UPS van, that also doesn't help either. So, you know, circumstances, and that's okay. I'm grateful I can buy this. So, well, I'll leave it at that. So, Christmas wishes. Oh, look at this. And I love that you get two. You get two of them. And this just, I think, no, I don't know if that's a lie or not, but I thought you could buy an extra kit of these, but I'm not positive, you guys. It's not, I don't know. So I don't want to miss something. Mislead you on thinking that you can. I'm not sure. I thought you could, but I don't know. So you get two of those. Oh, look at these. I love her dimensional stickers. They're the ones with pop dots on them. You get lots of holly berry leaves. I'm just going to go through them real quick, because there's a lot. There's a lot. See, oh, so you get more than two. Oh, and you get, okay, so you get, like, this one is a fat one. This one's a taller one. Oh, look at Santa, you guys. Santa is amazing. Oh, look at this one. That is so pretty. Very, very nice. Look at just, oh, I love this. And I think sometimes you get a right and a left. So, if I'm not mistaken, like this is kind of similar, but you can have this one on this side, this one on this side. Something like that. That's what I believe. I'm not positive, though. Oh, yeah, but I am positive. Look at that. See? Santa, thank you for helping me. So, okay, so that's that one. Then you get the sentiments that you can put onto these. You can cover them. So if you don't like that sentiment, you can Merry Christmas to You. It covers it beautifully. And then you can just put, you know, if you want to add more dimension, you can just add more. Let me see, like, you want to kind of get it where it's not covering up too much, like that, so you can add things to it. I love it. Love it. So Merry Christmas to You. You're going to have, look at all these sentiment, you guys. Look at all of them. That is crazy. That is awesome. So you get joyful Christmas wishes. 'Tis the season for you at Christmas. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. And seeing that was So if you wanted to go sideways, you could, and then just cover the background a little bit, and then maybe put something here so you can't fully see that the sentiment's sideways, or who cares, you know? Oops, sorry. So I'm all looking at it, but you can, yeah, do whatever you want with that, because that's awesome. And then look at all the bows. So you get these perfect bows. You see, you get red and gold. They look gold but greeny, you know? They don't look, it's like you can make them either or. And then you have regular, these are non-dimensional, I believe. But let me see, did I lie? I lied again. Okay. So you do get dimensions on this one. So you get dimensions, so you get, oh yeah. Oh, so you do get more dimensions. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. So even if it's not the whole thing, it could be just be like this one where it's just a top leaf right here. That's awesome. That's why I didn't think it was. But yeah, so just a little bit of dimension on these. Oh, look at this, you guys. So worth it. I knew it was going to be worth it. Easy pay, 5 months. So, and you got Christmas trees. Oh, look at these pine cones. I just love this stuff. I love it. So hopefully I love it enough to make Christmas cards, right? So look at, see, you can just put that on there and add like a back. I mean, oh, yeah, gorgeous. This is it. This is 50 bucks right here, you guys. I want to show you the birthday one, so let me pause this real quick. Hi everyone. Okay, so I'm back. I just am bringing the other one. Okay, so this one was also $50, and it was item number 809448, and it's the birthday celebration card kit. I love the box. This is my favorite. Lavender is my favorite color. Okay, so we have the beautiful samples here. Gosh, so pretty. Okay, so we got pop dots on top. Oh my goodness, where to start? Okay, so these are the bows. So the other ones were red and greenish. These are gold and greenish also looking to me. And then this is more of a, I don't know what that color is. It's kind of a greenish, pretty color. It's pretty. So let's do the standard stuff. Okay, we got the gold again, the 5x7 gold. We get a ton of those. And the inserts, what these inserts should be birthday themed. Wishing you all the best on your birthday and throughout the year. Oh, how sweet. And you have like this one, says sending a bouquet of birthday wishes just for you. So all the sentiments, they go inside the card. That's really nice. Okay, and then you have the envelopes. You get, I think there's, it has to be 50, right? I think there's 50. I want to say that's what it is. Okay, so let's see. These are the 5x7 card bases. Let me pick them up. Cute. The lime green, which is beautiful. I love lime green. Pink. The roses. More lime. More pinkish. This is more like a coral pink than an actual pink. You have turquoise. Very pretty pink. And a light pink. Okay, so that was that. This is the little borders and mats. So this is those. Yeah, this is like a coral. And you get 3? Yeah, 3 of these. Let me scooch it in again, because when I turn off my camera and put it back on, it, okay, sorry guys. It's fiddling with me. And lime green. Love. Oh, look at that one. That's gorgeous. Yep. Very nice. Oh, and you get 3 of those. This one's a gray. Like a grayish. Or I guess it could be purple. I don't know, it looks like it's one of those weird colors where it could be anything. If you put purple next to it, it'll come out as purple. If you put it as blue, you know, etc., etc. Okay, let's look at this one. Oh, look at this one. Pretty. Make a wish. Oh, look at the hydrangeas. Her stuff is so pretty, you guys. And it's really pretty. Happy birthday. It's just so elegant, so classy. And she lays down the base work for you, which is really nice too. One has a wine bottle or a champagne bottle. Oh, look at how pretty. Oh, just love her stuff. Yep. So glad I bought it. I knew I wanted it because I knew it was gonna make me happy. So then we have this one. So just like the other kit, it has the flourishes and has these, which are all flat. These are flat, but the flourishes, her flourishes always stay the same, so which is nice. So I have a butt ton of those. You get some, it's funny how you get random flowers thrown in and they're flat, but they're not gold foiled. I don't know. I just think that's funny. But the birthday cake, all this stuff is standard kind of with her kits. I think. Not positive. And then this is birthday themed, so this is all going to be birthday. Another happy birthday to you. Let's celebrate. Happy birthday, dear friend. Time to celebrate. Have a wonderful birthday. Happy birthday. Celebrate your birthday greetings. So nice. And then let's look at this one. This one is, let me take that away a little bit. Okay. These have dimension, so they're pop dotted up. Oh, Jesus, these are so awesome. Awesome, you guys. You really, if you can get it, then I would get it because this is worth 50 bucks. It really is. And it was free shipping though, because it was the product of the day kind of thing. So I don't think you'll get that, but I don't know, but from what my experience is, you usually don't get it, you know, after the special of the day. You don't get these kind of deals. Oh, look at the hydrangea. I think it's a hydrangea, but I'm not positive because now it's only like a little snippet of it. But look at, just love it. Love it, you guys. So one more. One more flower. And these have dimensions also. Yep, these are all dimensional. I'm just going to flip it like this because you can kind of get the gist of it. So I gave you the item number, so hopefully you got this kit, or you can get this kit if you didn't. So, worth it. All right, guys, take care. We'll see y'all later. Bye.